Hello all. This is Hobo Goat, aka Desert Goat. When you get to heavy rains and all that, and they say don't go on trails that are easily flooded, yeah, this is what they mean, guys. There's the bridge. You can see the sign to the bridge. All this debris is on this bridge. As you guys can see, I'm sure you can hear it. It even washed up this bottle up here. There's running water. I know you guys can't see it, but yeah. This is why you don't go unwashed during the rain. I mean, if it came up this high, I'm 5'8", guys, and this is about, I would have to say 4'10", maybe 4'11", this railing here. And as you guys can see, yeah. So, goat out, guys, be safe, and never do anything too stupid or crazy.